Why doesn't it work?
He's looking right at you. He's like, Mom, come on, fix
I really
these.
want to fix it for you.
Fix these
I
hiccups.
really want to fix it. I really, really do. But I don't know how to. Maybe if you keep sucking on that passy, you'll be good. No? No? Oh. Honey. I don't like those hiccups.
If they weren't so cute. They're the cutest hiccups
Are they
ever.
all done? Should we drink some water?